All right, good morning. It is March 17th, 2021. It is Wednesday, and it is vlog 52. Awesome. 52. And guess what? It's St. Patrick's Day. I have my green shirt on. Da, da. Kiss me, I'm Irish. Just kidding. But, yeah, it's the morning. I need to wake up. Hold on. Woo. Tune up this morning, as always. Ooh, my string is fraying. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. That's weird. I just can't see it. All right, here we go. Hey, look at my kidders. Kidders. Makes me smile every time. What's up, mama? What's up, mama? She liked the noise. Oh, yeah. Nice little tuning in the morning on, St. Patrick's Day. Woohoo. I wonder if people are partying already. That usually happens, man. People are just drunk already by this time. Pretty nuts. But anyways, St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, what's the weather? What's the weather on St. Patrick's Day? Let's see. And we have our fabulous weather again. Not Daniel Camp. iPhone. Oh. What happened? Weird. My iPhone's not in. Can you hear? Test 1, 2. Check. Having technical difficulties. Let's see. Sound. There it is. I don't know what's going on. Test 1, 2. Check. Test. I think we're back. Having issues this morning already. Let's see if my iPhone cam works. It doesn't. Something is wrong with this little bad boy. We're gonna try this. We are plugging straight in. Let's do that. Boop. Ho. All right. Sorry about the difficulties. I had to rearrange some stuff here. Hopefully, I'm getting some lag. Let's try. Boom. All right. Here we go. It is 55. Sunny. Should be cloudy a little bit later. I don't know. We shall see. Yeah, that's what's happening right now. Rest of the week, it looks like 60s, and it's a high of 61 today. We just cannot seem to get to the 70s. I don't know why. Crazy. All right, cool. I hope I'm recording okay. Test, test, test. It looks like it's lagging, but I guess go through. Anyways, let's recap yesterday. I woke up at 8 o'clock. Got out of bed at 9. That's usually what happens. I got ready first this time. Usually I do my vlog and then get ready. But I got ready and did my vlog, but I did the same thing today. So sometimes I switch it up. I usually have a pattern that I go through every morning, my morning routine. Yeah, what is your morning routine? It's crazy. Usually my morning routine is get up, have coffee. Right now is do vlog and get ready, do my song. But lately I've been getting ready first and then doing my doing my vlog and then do my song afterwards. Today's kind of busy, so I need to finish everything this morning and then have to work on some stuff. So that's what's happening. Yesterday I did my 100-day song. It was day 45. Ooh, rolling along, and it was Valerie Amy Winehouse. I don't know what I'm going to do today, but it should be fun. Went to Ohana to pick up some ooks, and I got some cool one-of-a-kind ooks right now. So, yeah, I took some, yeah. It was pretty cool. I was playing them. I was like, wow. It's actually one of the ones I always want since I was working with Ohana, and it's their last one, and it's a one-of-a-kind. It's pretty crazy. So I picked it up for the shop. It's our high-end ukulele. Cool. Then after that, I went to DII. I did have an appointment, so I had to go take pictures of the ukuleles. That reminds me, I have to post those up on the site today sometime. And then I handled a customer that came in. He was a rental, and he bought a new handpan. Congratulations. His name's Doug. Congratulations, Doug. Cool guy. After that, let's see. Oh yeah, came home, edited vlog, and actually I was kind of tired after that. It was kind of weird. And then we had Panda Express for dinner. It's kind of cool. I'm trying something else. I didn't get rid of the phone. I don't know what's. Test 1 2 check. Test. Wow. I think I have a bad cord. I might need a new USB. Trippy. Oh well. I'm just having computer issues. It's all good. Hopefully this is better. But anyways, I had a crazy emotional thing yesterday. I went to go practice some ukulele songs, and lately I've been doing like all my songs really, like, I start out slow. I have this thing called a one-hit wonder, but I just go a little bit above it and I sing it instead of actually just voice the words. And doing that, I don't know, I've been doing it lately, just practicing it like that, but it makes the songs, like, I don't know, I just get really emotional because you're just focused on the songs, and when you're going slow, I don't know what it was, but this is what I wrote. I had an emotional experience today playing the ukulele. It was almost like when I was practicing handpan and I was doing my scales, and I would meditate with the handpan, And then there's levels where you go forward and like hits, and then 10. And at 10, like I was just like, whoa, it just tripped out my brain. Saw white light, all that this other stuff. I always tell this story. But this happened when I was playing ukulele the other day. I was playing a song, I was playing it slow. And then sometimes like I feel, it's hard to explain. Like I'm singing the song, but I could totally feel it. Like, I don't know, everything feels good. Like the sound feels good, my voice voicing it, the ukulele sound, everything feels good. And I just get like happy. I just get super happy. It's kind of like, I don't know, I'm trying to think of what it is, because it's a trip. I just get so excited or emotional, I start crying. It's weird. But I think I was just happy because I could hear the song I'm playing, and I just felt good. Like all the practice that I've done, it went to that point, and all of the things that I've learned, I just put it into that song. It was kind of crazy. And then once you do that, it's just, I don't know, I just feel good. I just feel like I can do anything. Trippy. Carrie saw it, and I was just like, whoa. I had to stop. And I just started playing too. I just started playing some songs, did one, then did another, and then I was just like, wow. I was just in this mode. I don't know what that is. Music does bring emotions, and at that point, it was like all kinds of things. Like I felt good, felt like I was in the zone. I wasn't struggling with like playing the ukulele. I was just like, it felt like I was one with everything at that time. It was a trip. It was such a trip. And I had to take a breather. And right when I stopped, like I could feel, like I always talk about the chakras. I don't know if this is because I'm thinking about it, but I just felt it. I don't know, just something, and it just hit the top of my head, like in the middle of my brain. I was just like, whoa. It felt like, it didn't hurt. It just felt like I don't know, ice. I want to say ice. But that's what happened. That was a trip, man. Carrie saw, she's like, what's wrong with you? And I go, I don't know. I'm just like emotional. It was crazy. So I wrote this question out. Did I reach another level in my playing? I think that's one of the things. Like you reach like different plateaus as you get better. And that was just a level that I reached. It was just weird. And then, yeah, it was like I was one with the song. And I'm talking about this lately. And I think this is what they call harmonizing. Harmonizing with the world, or harmonizing with your song. But it wasn't just the song, it was everything. It was weird. I don't know, man. I'm definitely on one. It's kind of crazy. And it was pretty amazing. I don't know if I learned something. I think I did. But it was way more than that. It was totally more than that. So, I don't know. That was my experience yesterday. I was just like, wow, it tripped me out. But I'm still thinking about it because this has happened a couple times with the handpan. I do get emotional with the ukulele, but this time it was totally different. Most of the time it was the song. This was everything. All one. It was weird. So I got to think about that. Something about doing something every day, man. You just, it makes me better. I don't think it was a bad thing. It was totally a good thing. I just didn't. It was an experience, and after reading the sound healing book with Christine Stevens, I think it totally has to do something. It was something with the frequency, because I was like, wow. I was playing and I could, I don't know. I strummed the chord and I can hear my voice, and it sounded like the chord. It was weird. I don't know. Something to that. Wow, music. But other than that, today I'm gonna drink coffee, but I have later this afternoon, and I have a lesson in Palos Verdes, so I have to drive down to Palos Verdes at 3. Have a lesson with Maddie, an 8-year-old, teaching an 8-year-old how to handpan. Pretty crazy. And then I need to come back because I have my Ook social tonight at 6:30. So it's going to be a busy afternoon. So I have to do a lot of stuff this morning so I can take off in the afternoon. So that's plan for today. Hopefully it works out. And it looks like a nice day today. So we can get some stuff done. Other than that, I think that's all I have for today. Carrie? What? Got anything? Huh? She's already on the phone. I think she was on the phone with somebody in India this morning. She's been calling people and giving coaching. Carrie coaching. Coaching Carrie. Pretty awesome. But she's been jobbing. I was listening to her conversation, and she had like a really good conversation with this person starting out as a freelancer. But yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today. Or actually for me, it is Wednesday. It's St. Patrick's Day. Have my green on, and I don't do I'm like far from the drinking thing. I may have a drink, maybe a shot of whiskey, just to celebrate. But I don't like to drink anymore. It's kind of crazy. I will drink socially, but I don't like to drink anymore. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. It's a little short one, so. It is March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. It's Wednesday. This is Vlog 52. And like always, every day. Keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah, I got Carrie.